Hi everyone! It's time to replace the insect catcher. So if you don't know about it, it has a beautiful design. It arches down, keeps the insects covered up. Are you ready to see it? Yeah. It's doing a nice sticky job. It lights up real nicely when it is inserted into the plug. It comes as so. You pull it. It's all nice and sticky. And you place it in. This is where the light will come in. All new and ready to catch some more bugs. I'll attach below a link to refills and to a pack that has some already in there, okay? Let me show you how it looks lit up.